This is the domain of the king of spices. Millions of Piper nigrum vines climbing toward the sun, ready for the global market.
A worker checking the ripeness. A mix of green and yellow berries is ideal for premium black pepper.
Industrial scale requires industrial solutions. These OTR harvesters use controlled vibration to shake mature drupes from the vines. Precision and speed. From the moment of harvest, the clock starts to preserve the piperine, the source of the pepper's heat. A symphony of machinery. This one-way flow ensures maximum efficiency in the world's largest spice-producing regions.
First, blanching. A quick burst of steam triggers an enzymatic reaction that will eventually turn these green berries black. Transformation begins here. In these colossal rotary dryers, the berries lose moisture and begin to darken.
The berries emerging from the final dryer, now hard, black, and perfectly wrinkled. Purity is paramount. Gravity separators use air and vibration to remove light shells and empty kernels.
Next, high-speed optical sorters identify and remove any berry that isn't the perfect shade of black.
Quality control is a science. We ensure the heat and aroma meet international standards.
The finished, sterilized black pepper entering the massive holding silos.
From the plantation to the global spice trade, thousands of tons of black gold are packed and sealed daily.
Logistics at scale. These containers will travel through the Suez and Panama canals to reach every kitchen on Earth.
The final act. The release of the trapped aroma and the unmistakable bite of the king of spices.
The peppercorn-crusted ribeye. Enjoy your meal.
The cycle continues. Innovation and heritage driving the future of the spice trade.
Efficiency is powered by data. We monitor every vine to ensure sustainable growth and minimal waste.
Green energy for a green product. Our commitment to the planet is as strong as our pepper.
This drone system allows us to precisely monitor crop health and apply nutrients exactly where needed, reducing waste by up to 30%.
The sorting accuracy is holding at 99%.
Impressive. The new robotics are performing better than expected.
Harvest motion. Driving the world's most essential harvests.